Okay, everyone. Today we're going to be going through a Ryko radius at the Esso / Circle K gas station on Mulock Drive and here we walk around Newmarket. It's been a little bit damaged, you can see, due to the back arm. So yeah, we will see if it does a great job. Hopefully it does. And I have not been there for a while. I only been there last time since 2016, and plus I did some outside fields as well back in 2018. So look, so I can pay at the new pay station. They put in a new pay station that replaced a cold box. Okay, there we go. So tap, wash, and rinse. Okay, let's do that. Is it working? It seems like it's frozen. Let's see if I skip. Okay, so here's your wash options. We have a budget for $11.99, a standard for $13.99, and the premium for $15.99. We're going to get the premium.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons. Touch enter when finished.
Enter code? I'm really confused right now. Let me hit the cancel because... Okay, so let's try this again. So that's the premium.
Please insert payment now.
Okay, so... I'm gonna hit that. Yes, receipt.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Okay, doors are opening. I selected a receipt, but it could not print a receipt. But I know it with taxes, in fact, it came to $18.07, which is a little bit pricey. So here we go, into the Ryko radius. we go. We're out of a wash, you can see. Now where can I park and see how well the wash did? Right here? Oh, yeah, right by the curb, right up there. Okay, all clear. So yeah, looks like I did a great job. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna take a look and see how well the wash did. And the downside did. Okay, there we go. Stop it there and see how well the wash did. Okay, so the dryers kinda did well on the side, except for here. Have a hood. The wash pro dryers did well. No spots. Didn't clean this off, but it's okay. Other side, this wash didn't get all the snow off the bottom, but it's okay. Dryers did really well on the sides, like the Frost Pro. It didn't do that well on the back because I was running out of dryer time. And on the back windshield, a little bit of soap here, and it didn't get all this off here. And the dryers didn't do well on the back. I ran out of dryer time. So yeah, on the back bumper it did really well too, except for dryers. So it cleaned really well, except for here, and a little bit of soap here, and here as well. So yeah, only downside of this wash, you don't get a receipt if you pay by the pay station. So if you want to pay by the pay, you have to go inside to get the receipt. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you. So yeah, that's basically for Ryko ideas at the Esso/Circle K gas station on Mulock Drive in Newmarket. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.